In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to set up gift cards for delivery to you or receipt emails. We'll walk through creating a digital gift card product in your Squarespace store, placing it in your shop, and making sure customers understand how the email delivery works, either to their own inbox or to the recipient they intend. Start by signing in at squarespace.com and opening your account dashboard. From there, choose the site you want to work on and enter the website editor. Once you're in the editor, head to Pages and open your shop or store page. This is where your products live and where you'll add the new gift card. Inside the shop, add a new product and select gift card as the product type. This tells Squarespace to handle it as a digital code that's sent via email after checkout. In the product details, give your gift card a clear, searchable name like Digital Gift Card. In the description, set expectations. Explain that the gift code is delivered by email after purchase, and that buyers can receive it themselves or, depending on your checkout settings, have it sent directly to a recipient. At minimum, buyers can always forward the email to the person they're gifting. Next, add denominations. Squarespace lets you define preset amounts. Think 25, 50, 100, and so on, so customers can pick the value that fits their budget. You can also write a brief note about how the gift card can be used, such as whether it's valid for all products and whether it expires based on your store policies. Upload an image so the product looks polished in your storefront and on social. A simple branded graphic or a clean gift card image works well. Then, organize the product by assigning a category. If you don't already have one, create a new category called Gift Cards. Categories appear in your store's navigation, making it easy for shoppers to find these quickly during holidays and special occasions. Before wrapping up, scan the remaining product settings. Confirm the product is set to visible when you're ready to launch, and ensure pricing, SKU, and inventory settings reflect that this is a digital item. When everything looks good, click Done, then Save to publish your changes. Once saved, preview the product in your shop to confirm the layout, denominations, and description are clear. If you want extra confidence, place a small test order to verify the gift card email arrives as expected. That's it. Your Squarespace gift card is set up and ready to be delivered to you or to the intended recipient by email.